Hi, I'm Trinia and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making mini hat ornaments. We will need a tissue roll, color yarn, you can pick more than 2, and when you are cutting your yarn, it should be 30 centimeters long. So take your tissue roll and cut a little bit of it. Like this. And now, take the color you're going to start with. Now fold your yarn in half evenly like this. And the one that has the folded part goes under like this. And then take the 2 yarn pieces, open the hole, put it through, and pull. Fold it in half, put it through, and take your 2 ends and pull. Make sure there's no gaps in between, so it should be like this without any cardboard showing. This is how it looks like after I tied all the ropes. Now, take this yarn and push it upwards. This is how it should be when it's done pushing all the ropes towards this side. And now, take all the rope, we'll take all the yarn, have a little yarn left, tie it, now I tied the yarn, take some scissors and make them all even. I hope you try out these mini Christmas hats. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.